Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Igama lam Thulisile Kolweni. If you are new here, welcome and welcome. Please don't leave without subscribing, commenting and liking this video. It really means a lot to me. It means that the more you watch it, subscribe, like it, the more YouTube should suggest the video to audience that watch similar videos. So please don't be shy to subscribe, like and comment down below. So, and if you're my day one, you guys know what it is, what we do. Welcome back, my loves. Thank you so much for all the love and the support that you guys have been giving me. It really means a lot. I cannot thank you guys enough. But in today's video, we finally have the quick face makeup from Lungile Thabethe and Ayanda Thabethe, partnered with Mr. Price, and this is how it looks like. How gorgeous is this? How gorgeous are they? So inside here we have 7 quick makeup looks. So that's how it looks like. So inside we have, I believe this is a setting spray, hydrating mist, and yeah, so we're gonna first apply that. Lungi did say that you must apply this and let it dry because it also works as skincare. So it comes with this, and it also tells you what is the first step. So there are 7 steps, so we're gonna try and go with that. So first we put the infinite hydrating mix, we put instant concealer and contour, and then we perfect with the loose powder. We have a supreme glow highlighter, we have a brow defining pencil, we have a volumizing mascara, and the last step, which is the ultra gloss lip gloss. So this is step number 1. And then we have the concealer. So I went with the dark shade concealer because obviously I'm darker. So yeah, we went with that. I haven't used all of these. We have the loose powder, setting powder. We have the hydrating glow, the illuminating highlighter, glow highlighter. We have the volumizing mascara, and then we have the brow pencil, defining brow pencil, and then we have the gloss lip gloss. So we have that, and that's all there is. And yeah, I believe their stuff are vegan free, which means they are also not tested on animals, I believe. So yeah, so this is the 7-step starter kit in the dark shade. So let's do the face. So we're gonna do the concealer, and I am gonna use my concealer brush, if I could find it. There we go. So we're supposed to conceal, contour everything at once, and then blend that all. Oh my gosh, I don't know where my beauty blender is. What am I gonna blend this with? Okay, so I am gonna conceal with this. Ooh, it's very creamy. I'm gonna start with that one there. This is to highlight and conceal. I'm putting all of that because I think that this is the lightest shade. Also, I don't want to put way too much. And then I'm gonna go with the one that is closest to my skin tone. I don't know how this is gonna go with this is this one here. And then I'm gonna use I'm gonna use the contour, which is the very dark one. Just below my jawline, sorry, my cheekbones. I think I should tie the front of my hair. So that I'm not distracted, alright? And then for blending that, sorry, I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna try and put that in there, and then I'm gonna try and blend it. We're gonna go first with the lighter shade. I do really think that a beauty blender would have worked so much better than this. So I honestly don't know how I feel about blending this with the brush. It's not, I feel like the brush is taking all this in. And also I don't think I enjoy blending with a brush anymore. And then for the dark part, I am going to use this to blend it with. It's definitely not bad to blend it actually. I was scared because I'm blending it with a brush. So that was a concern for me, but it's actually not so bad. I think that is blended together. I don't know. And now I'm gonna go in with the powder. This. I'm also avoiding creasing. And just to blend my eyelid again before I set it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the brow pencil. From honestly first impressions, I like the brow pencil. It's very nice and smooth. Honestly, I love that. Being the person that I am, I like concealing my brows, so I'm gonna use a different concealer. I knew it was you that was being rude.
What was the sense of
Yes, I knew it's you that's being rude outside. Pop, 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 pop. I'm gonna use the mascara. I like that the wand is like curved, so let's see. Put it to the test. Dust off this. I'm gonna use the Ultra Glass. Honestly, I've never been a fan of this applicator, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really do enjoy it. I will definitely see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment down below. Have you tried the Quick Face by Lungile Thabethe? And Ayanda Thabethe will love to hear about it. Also, it retails for 599 rand. Something that I forgot to mention, but yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I will definitely see you in my next video. Oh, by the way, I have lashes. These are glue lashes from Black Up. So with these lashes, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.